This is a MathCast for 4th graders. We are going to interpret a multiplication equation as a comparison. We are starting with vocabulary first. Our first vocab is number, which is a unit that indicates quantity or how many, or value, which is how much. We describe numbers with symbols like 1, 5, 11, or words 1, 5, 11. Our next vocabulary word is digit, which is any one of these symbols, which can be seen all here and all of these right here too. Our next vocabulary word is ones, which are the numbers 0 to 9, which also refers to the ones place, which can be shown up here, which is this right here. Our next vocabulary word is tens, which are the numbers 10 to 99, which also refers to the tens place, which is right here, and is shown by the group of 10 right here. Our next vocabulary word is hundreds, which are the numbers 100 to 999, which also refers to the hundreds place, which is right here, and it can be shown by these two groups of 100 right here. Our last vocabulary word is place value, which is the value a digit has because of its place in a number, the name of the position a digit has in a number, such as ones or tens, which can be shown here. Each of these are its own place value. Ones, tens, hundreds. Example 1. Label the place value chart. Fill in the blanks to make the following equations true. Draw discs in the place value chart to show how you got your answer, using arrows to show any bundling. In this example, we are using 10 times 3, which is equal to 30 ones. So we're going to put 30 ones right over here. Now using this place value chart, when we have 10 of something, we move it over to equal 1 over here. First, we're going to bundle the ones into groups of 10. Now that we have our groups of 10, we are going to bring this bundle over here to equal 110. And we're going to do the same with these two other bundles. As you can see, 30 ones are equal to 3 tens. So 10 times 3 equals 30 ones equals 3 tens. Example 2. Label the place value chart, fill in the blanks to make the following equation true. Draw discs in the place value chart to show how you got your answer, using arrows to show any bundling. In this example, we're using 10 times 2 tens, which is equal to 20 tens. So we're going to put 20 tens right in this tens place. Now we bundle the tens into two groups of 10. 1, 2. Now we're going to take this bundle and bring it over here to equal 100. And we're going to bring this bundle over here to equal 100. As you can see, the 20 tens equals 200. So 10 times 2 tens equals 20 tens, which is equal to 200s. Our last example, example 3. Label the place value chart. Fill in the blanks to make the following equation true. Draw discs in the place value chart to show how you got your answer, using arrows to show any bundling. In this example, we're using 4 hundreds times 10, which is equal to 40 hundreds. So we're going to put 40 hundreds right here in this hundreds place value. Now we're going to take the 40 hundreds and bundle them into 4 groups of 10. Now we're going to take this bundle and bring it over here to equal 1000. And we're going to bring this bundle over here to equal 1,000. This bundle over here to equal 1,000. And this bundle over here to equal 1,000. As you can see, 40 hundreds are equal to 4 thousands. So, 4 hundreds times 10, which is equal to 40 hundreds, is equal to 4 thousands. Thank you for watching.